Are you planning a home renovation, clearing clutter, or managing a construction project in Elkton, Kentucky? Look no further than Silver Creek Rentals. We provide reliable, efficient, and affordable roll-off dumpster rental in Elkton, Kentucky to meet your needs. Our roll-off dumpsters come in various sizes and are perfect for projects, big or small. Whether you're a homeowner or contractor, our rentals are designed to simplify waste management and keep your work area clean and safe. At Silver Creek Rentals, we handle delivery, pickup, and disposal, allowing you to focus on what matters. We take pride in providing fast, friendly, and dependable service. Our team will ensure you get the right dumpster delivered on time and hassle-free for your project. Booking your roll-off dumpster rental in Elkton, Kentucky has never been easier. Call us at 270-221-8600. You can also visit www.silvercreekrentals.com Dumpster Rental Elkton KY to learn more about our services and secure your dumpster rental today. Silver Creek Rentals is here to help you get the job done right, making your cleanup simple and stress-free.